You guys, yeah, I apologize for my hair. My hair just wants to do its own thing today and it wants to be voluminous. So we're just gonna let it be.
Imagine if it was actually humid outside.
Hey guys, and welcome to my grocery haul. We have a little bit of everything and it's not too much because it's just for 1 week. But yeah, let's get started. What we typically do for a weekly shop is find something that we want to eat for the next 4 days for lunch and potentially dinner if there's enough of it. Choose a protein, a grain, and a vegetable. And yeah, we just fill in the gaps with fruits and other things that we may already have in our fridge, like eggs and stuff like that. This may seem like a lot, but it's just the big containers that make it look like a lot. This week we decided to go for a Filipino inspired dish, beef steak. So I just got 4 of these containers of beef chuck. They didn't have bottom round steak, so I just got thinly sliced beef chuck steak. I got like 4 packs of these. And for our grain, we usually go for rice. This isn't the right one. Thank you very much, George. I like the large grain rice. And this is the medium grain rice. It's rice. So we have some of that. Okay, and our vegetable for this week, I got a bunch of green beans. I got 4 large red onions for that recipe as well. And I got some soy sauce because that's what the recipe calls for. This is just the one that I've used for years. This is the LaChoy soy sauce. Last week I asked George if he could please, with a cherry on top, get up early and make me a smoothie before work, because I actually, if you guys don't know, I get up for work really early in the morning, so I barely have any time. I'm always rushing. So he used to make my coffee, but instead of making me coffee this week, he started making me a smoothie, a green smoothie. So last week I got the mango chunks, and these are so good, and they're already individually packed. I don't know if you guys can see. No, you can't see, but they're individually packed for like a perfect portion for your smoothies. So I got mango chunks and strawberries. I still have a lot of strawberries left. Well, that's what you said.
Enough strawberries.
So these are the strawberries that I got last week, and I still have some of those. So he was making me a strawberry mango smoothie with lots of spinach in it and milk. So this week I went for mango because I love mango. And for frozen blueberries, this is the only brand that had only blueberries in a bag like this. So this is what I went for, and it says right here, perfect for smoothies. Oh yeah, I got blueberries just to mix it up a bit, and bananas. I got some that are already ripe, and then some that are not ripe yet. And then got lots of baby spinach, which is for my smoothies again. And for me to take to work as a snack, Autumn Glory apples, which just looked really good, and these are organic. So George will usually just pop one in my lunch bag, and I love having fruit as like a midday snack or after midday snack. Like before I get home, so I don't starve before dinner. And also I got like 4 cucumbers. I love snacking on these too with lime and a little bit of salt. And then that recipe calls for lots of lemon juice. And for my cucumbers, I got some limes. Ugh. And this is just, we always get this. I know this is bad, but this is like my guilty pleasure. Either for like a midday caffeine kick at work, or just when I get home with my dinner. I like to have one of these. I don't have one every day, but I do like to keep them around. And they were on sale this time around, so we got 2 of these. Last time it took us quite a while to get through a 20, right? Oh, and also for the smoothies, 2% milk. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna go marinate this meat because I actually have to cook it tonight. We typically meal prep on Sundays. That way it's ready and I don't have to come home on Monday night and cook anything. That way I can just focus on filming or editing or anything that I need to get done for the channel. So yeah, you guys, this was my grocery haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, it's just for 1 week, so it's not that much, but it's just the necessities, things that we need, and we just fill in here and there with what we need throughout the week. Please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll talk to you guys next time. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
He was helping me behind the scenes.